Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to generate a 3D terrain in AutoCAD in less than 1 minute. If you want to download a complete export with buildings, terrain mesh, contour lines, parcels and roads, using data as much as possible coming from official national sources and without wasting your time to manually assemble each data layers in QGIS, I recommend using TopoExport.com. It's the most accurate and fastest website available on the market. This website is very easy to use. On the right, you select the options and layers you want to download. On the left, you choose the area you want to export, then click to preview. After a few seconds, your export appears in 2D and 3D, and with the satellite image if available. If everything looks good for you, you can download your export and open it directly in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe,